Alright, I was here for Nyamisha Bibia. Aha, I Ghana Sim TV. You best say, you best subscribe to the channel. Now, move for my doing Cherebra, I will comment section. We better turning on the notifications and be anytime video of this nature about you'll be the first person to know. Nyamisha, you know.
I feel no more anymore. Say, mbitimi akomanim ewo. Harrison, I don't know. Say, in terms of my resources, I'm odi adwuma. Modro hen, moitima pijem budget eba mo hono ekosro. And the usual man for me boy any ade ni mo ane that's what here.
When I'm say
not
N0t for a long time now has been under resourced. Being equipment, financial or even staff strength under resource kakra. Even will you imagine say I'm saying this is the first I'm saying this. Menkada.
Okay.
A senior menkada, but I need to say it. Menka omo ye djuma ma enso mu dia. Say okwa de bia won kan asam mai. Te was meka and then meka. When him say it was ya assume for 11 months now ya assume power o ma appoint am for Bernard mo bi anje salary.
Hey.
Obi anje salary there.
That is dangerous. How?
So it is issue with financial clearance. So even people who have been appointed to work for the organization. So you understand what I'm talking about now. See, idea easy. I don't know. Maybe the regional executives will hide it from you, but it is something we need to talk about for some.
No, because how are Momo sorry akwa na yentua moka ana money da so no se sika no be ba bomu ntino de da ba bi na mo fa de a finance de mudwuma di amudi. I don't know because it's serious.
I don't so odo a ye wo edema Ghana mine so
eka ho da bi odo sa de ye be hwem serious.
This is the first time I'm saying this. It's on your show. It's from Accra nyina me grant interview service Menkada, and then the first time make will show so. And
what is the effort so
for the N0t leadership is doing very well, doing everything possible to make sure people who have been appointed or people who have joined N0t since this administration started will be paid whatever they deserve. They are trying everything possible. They are pulling the strings, whatever strings they will pull. But when you say yeah papa finance kind budget in chair, what can some job employments be now? The idea every free mobile. So we hope, see in this budget now, what can I see 800,000 jobs better every free budget in no abano. Ye bomb pie say not Numa flow from national to constituency for na ya for money you the my announcement better. A benyasa financial clearance no matter me because even the level of work I without being paid, Say John. Say a buying issue commitment kakra etua na say be yen kronfo no e ma mo humene so we are going to do a lot more than this. We are going, so you see that obi a ya appointing so onya adwuma bia na e willing to work. Willing to work. Nti adwuma no sa na den e koso ba oba ne den nyame mbre ne mbre pa e den na wo ka na bia na aba den ababum e babum a bia na adwuma ye fo e ne dan gute den e wo kurum ha. Nti yemo say baboom.
Money assurance from the finance.
Oh, we have got assurance. Okay. For the assurance there we have gotten. Say obey who adwuma mama make sure say the ben will be a dime na the income. Not even a day. Dime will be what?
I see.
Yeah, resources there. Your from kakra.
Okay.
Your staff strength. Your from kakra. But N0ise and then fantastic not more better. Ebe
Harrison, yeah, that's it.
Money adwuma pa mo so.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
What they are there metati opa.
Yeah, that's it.
So far, can they tell us in their 12 months what they've been able to do as a government? What major policy have they been able to roll out in their 12 months? That today, when they get microphone and camera, they want to lambast President Akufo-Addo, who in his first year initiated or rolled out his free SHS policy. They should tell us, he should tell us now, 12 months, what they've been able to do for the Ghanaian people, aside power abuse, tyranny, arresting people. Okoda Iyoko, tomorrow bill higher bail conditions and the rest. He should tell us, and artificial manufacturing of the city. Today you tell us inflation has gone down. Inflation has gone down, but there is higher tariffs. 28% electricity. Today, the one who was lying in the kiosk, who was paying 100 cedi, who has to pay 128 cedis before the person can get electricity. He should tell us 12 months what they've been able to do. The Ghanaian youth are disappointed. Your 24-hour economy, which would have given you a little hope, you have not been able to roll out. When we speak about it, you tell us Mahama is the hope. Mahama is the hope. When we come and ask you, you tell us we cannot speak because we failed. We should not speak. We do not have that right to speak. What have you been able to do? That when we go and talk, you said dollar has gone down. Is dollar buying Kenke today? Kenke is hitting 7 cedis. I even thought for Kenke there to never go up, it will come down because that was your major campaign. You went to tell the Ghana people that they won't eat digitalization. It is Kenke and Pepe they want. Today Kenke is hitting 7 cedis. What have you been able to do?
Right.
If a government is unable to roll out even one, let's say one, he said a single, so one policy, yet the dollar that Baumia was giving 4 cedis to a dollar and left the dollar today's government with 16 cedis, yet the dollar is able to come down. For the first time in 8 years, transportation from my place to Medina has come down. For the first time. I've been in Legon for several years. So for the first time, if transportation from that area has come down, what else do Ghanaians want?
Let's put it on record.
From the family of the horse,
he has not been able to list one. No. Let's put that on record.
I've
12
asked
months.
you a question. You said in our campaign promises, did the government
1 million codes?
Wait.
Women Development Bank.
Did the government promise Nkukwan getting true or false?
Have you been able to? You've only launched it.
We no. A teacher for ne share ni mu kra no. Onim say 7,000 to 8,000 there. It's a say beton account mu because all 3,600 no eba no. Any monthly salary na nkasa onim so obekọ bank de na 8,000 Ghana ye de asu ebinum salary aba allowance ne na anyere ama ebi so the allowance ne salary nyina ama allowance ne de cross board say ama. This month, so yeah, man for say a teacher for binum salary kura amakura. Obi or say, obe ensure the availability of funds for their remuneration. Pay their bosumi kwaso ya. A teacher for binum close to 35%. Of teachers in this country, no, woman monthly salary ama, and then the dear minimum kasai. What the allowance in a ton China salary yan kasano close to 35% of teachers akatuya ama, GS staff in general close to 35% woman katuya nyere ama, and we. A fat a danger abanya would ya show why you must say over reset Ghana reset in say MPP to young Crawford also baba reset ye nyadi into young kwayako you know be any asem yakwakotenafi na mom and net the drea menamo kasa no. A teacher for binum salary ankasa emaye. Ye the allowance ne to nchen ne ka salary ankasa wo mo nsa nye den enkan. But ye kan no. Enyo obi na abo teacher for dua o. Ye wo dua bi wo ha wa ankasa na abo ho. Dua bi wo ha. Se wa abo ho dua. Ene de me nyini se wa abo ho dua. Obi wo ha wo ba bi o so obedane me dey me say and me I don't believe it ko ebeka say muntisi mountain na munye demonstration yente say on beko akopa media house bi atena so say yenidi aban atem yenidi akofo ado atem yenidi baomi atem enam say odidie no ye ka kire mo say 9%, but in actual fact no sika ebe to so amonsa kan ye no eye 1%. Ti ye dia banya dwuma efu anim atwitwi fam MPP ye ka kire mo say ye 15% ya mo beduro na 15%. Ye ka kire mo say ye tum 10% ya mo ba kona 10%. Eye 23% ya mo ba kona 23%. Enne N0ise aban timi ka kire Ghana adwumafo say ye to akatuam 9%, mo ba kona 1%. Producer for data no to so MPP salary increment data no fa to so say MPP 8 years akatuanto mu bia ni wa eye below 10%, and so na Ghana adwumayefo etan MPP edi MPP atem di nanado atem edi baomi atem say ebeto aba ayeden atiam MPP 8 years akatua bia nwa yede ma adwumayefo a eye below 10%. Mo wo evidence na mo fa makire na mo nguma ni mase bibisa ni ho barney reset na mo kofa baaye no samo se mo reset Ghana nti ye reset mo salary nyina aka ho esese Ghana adwumayefo te ase se President Mahama Kasa oba be reset Ghana into oba reset government workers salary nyina yeden aka ho because eno na mo pe na mo kofa bae because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia we need 2024 nka o ma ye reset on government workers salary dabi ye nye sa reset no because mu ye adwuma e dia somoman no na adwuma mo ye no eso ani etina MPP aban na nado Bawumia government hun say eba revenue ayede echi edesum oman na government workers ye adwuma ma oman no productivity kwosoro enti yamwa omo na omo so no ehun han omo so makatua ne timi pagya ana ukwa pension yie ana di policy ba say Ghana ha we ye pensioner with immediate effect any kwansa wo pension wo be withdraw akofie no eye below 1,000 Ghana cedis na mado ana disade ne baaye because hwe pension na nkrofo binum agia na reho eno mo de sanchise no e baaye say yenhwe na wo mo withdraw 300 ne 400 no yenya bibi emfam wa wo mo eye MPP aban ena disade ne baaye nti bi wo ha na oje 300 afede obekọ bank no na ban na afiri ni pemu akọ support wo mo nti na ekọ bi 1,000 Ghana na nka yemfa ne se 300 no nko a ebe da to pressure duro ebe da to ayi sugar aduro ene ne keka ho ntimi nto wa wom se say no bisa wo say sa bari no kwaso ade 1% ya wa 3 years I'll be pension. Wow, 1 year, I'll be pension. Wow, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, you know. Bisa who say pension bank and now the coffee would near a banway, subanya banway, a frasier, a danady. Bisa say subanya banyi a frasier, a danady, no. Yes, yaka would them cop pension no. Bisa sa won't to a china wobɛnya sika to diabetes yɛ duru anaa fiase bisa ho sa ban ka kyerɛ wo sɛ wama 9% wobɛkɔ no na yɛ 1% ya yɛ ka kyerɛ mu praying sɛ woyɛ aban adwuma ani ne sɛ wakatua nya fato tim sɛ wo pension ɛno na kyerɛ wo pension a wodi kɔ fie sɛ fato tim sɛ woyɛ government worker na sɛ wo salary monthly salary anya ɛkyerɛ wo daakye wabrabɔ a wobɛbɔ ɛwo bra wakɔ pension because your salary ya near would yato one so for pension no ɛyɛ ansana when you be swadi ayɛdɛn abɔ bra na fato tim sɛ woyɛ teacher ni na wobɛkyerɛ adeɛ 35 years 40 na wobɛkɔ fie wantima nsi dane na diabetes real. Oh, top pressure.